In this video we are going to talk about the best youth compound bow in this year, which is PSE ARCHERY Uprising compound bow. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The PSE ARCHERY Uprising compound bow is an entry-level bow designed for beginners and intermediate archers. Here are the key details of the bow. Design and construction. The PSE Uprising is a compact and lightweight compound bow that measures 30 inches axle to axle and weighs just 3.2 pounds. It has a single cam system and a draw length range of 14 to 30 inches. The bow is available in 4 draw weight options: 30, 40, 50, and 60 pounds. Riser and limbs. The riser of the PSE Uprising is made of CNC machined aluminum, which makes it durable and lightweight. The limbs are made of a composite material that provides a good balance between strength and flexibility. Cam system. The PSE Uprising features a single cam system that is easy to tune and maintain. The cam is made of aluminum and has a smooth draw cycle with a solid back wall. Speed. The PSE Uprising has an IBO speed of 302 feet per second, which is fast enough for most hunting and target shooting applications. Accessories. The PSE Uprising comes with several accessories, including a 3-pin sight, arrow rest, stabilizer, and quiver. The bow is also compatible with a variety of aftermarket accessories, such as different sights, rests, and stabilizers. Price. The PSE Uprising is priced at around $300, making it an affordable option for beginners and intermediate archers. Overall, the PSE ARCHERY Uprising compound bow is a well-designed and affordable bow that offers good performance and versatility for a wide range of archery activities. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.